Hello friends, today we are going to make chicken wings. So we'll get in the video. So we got chicken wings from Woolies and now we are going to make some pieces of it.
Okay, for this we bought some honey sriracha style marinate from Woolies. We'll put this in a bowl first. We will put some lemon juice, some soy sauce, a little bit of chili, and mix it. And we will put this marinade over the chicken. We'll put some yogurt too. And we'll mix it now.
So finally our marinated chicken wings is ready. Now we're gonna put this on the fridge for 1.5 hours and we'll see after that. Now I just took out the chicken from fridge after 1.5 hours. So now we're gonna make the air fry heat for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
We will spray some oil first.
Now we'll put this onto the air fryer
For 20 minutes.
for 20 minutes. Okay, now it's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna flip this onto the other side. Okay, now we'll put this for another 10 minutes. So after 20 minutes our chicken wings is ready. So we'll just open the air fry and it looks delicious. Now you can take it out on the plate and serve for the guest or for yourself. And this is how you make the chicken wings. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another video, and also in the last, if you want to add a sauce then you can do it as well. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you.